in the whispering woods, where fireflies dance and every leaf tells a secret, lived two sisters, Lily and Daisy. One loved to explore and create, while the other only thought of herself. Can you guess who was who? Lily, with her bright eyes and a smile as warm as sunshine, loved to tend to their cozy cottage. She'd hum sweet tunes as she watered the rainbow flowers in their garden or baked delicious berry pies. But her sister, Daisy, oh, Daisy loved to twirl and gaze at her reflection in the shimmering pond.
Look at me! My hair sparkles like golden moonlight.
Their kind Papa Bear, a gentle woodcarver, would often tell them tales of kindness and courage. One breezy morning, Papa Bear had to embark on a very long journey, far across the twinkling river. Lily's heart felt a little wobbly, like a leaf in the wind.
I'll miss you, Papa.
Promising to care for everything. But Daisy, she clapped her hands with glee.
Now I can dance by the pond all day and night.
Soon, the cozy cottage began to feel a little lopsided. Lily would sweep the floor, only for Daisy to stomp in with muddy boots. Lily would make a warm, yummy mushroom soup, and Daisy would secretly pour a splash of icy cold water into it.
Why is the soup so chilly? And how did these muddy footprints appear so fast?
Daisy would just shrug her shoulders and giggle.
Must have been the forest critters.
What do you think was really happening? One sunny afternoon, Daisy skipped into the forest, humming a little tune. She picked shiny green berries, not even waiting for them to ripen, and tossed them playfully into the whispering river. Splash! Splash! Suddenly, an old woman with a kindly, wrinkled face and a walking stick appeared. It was Grandma Willow, known for her wise stories.
Oh, hello, dear child. I'm ever so hungry. Might you spare some fruit?
Daisy quickly grabbed the unripe, sour berries she'd just picked.
Here you go, Grandma. These are the juiciest, sweetest berries in the whole wide world.
Oh, my tummy feels a bit funny.
But still managed a polite,
Thank you.
Daisy just giggled and walked away, not caring at all. Do you think that was a very kind thing to do? Later that day, Lily ventured into the forest to gather sweet clover for their tea. And what do you think she saw? Grandma Willow, lying beneath a big oak tree, looking very poorly indeed.
Oh, dear Grandma Willow.
Her heart filling with worry. She gently helped Grandma Willow back to their cottage, tucked her into bed, and rushed to make a comforting, warm broth and a soothing herbal tea. But Daisy, peering from around the door, rolled her eyes.
Ugh, she smells like old moss.
Then
Ugh,
secretly
she smells like
spilled
old
some of the
moss.
broth and sprinkled a bit of dirt into the herbal tea.
Daisy, did you put dirt in Grandma Willow's tea?
Daisy quickly shook her head.
No way! She probably did it herself.
Do you think Grandma Willow would get better with dirt in her tea? A few days later, Grandma Willow felt much, much better, thanks to Lily's true kindness.
You have such a kind heart, Lily. Take these magical sparkleberries. If you ever feel poorly, eat just one, and you'll feel better in a flash.
Thank you.
But soon, all the hard work made Lily very, very tired. Her head felt hot, and she couldn't get out of bed.
Daisy, please, could you bring me one of Grandma Willow's sparkleberries?
But Daisy, who had been secretly peeking at the pouch, had already eaten all the yummy sparkleberries herself.
Oh, there are none left. Maybe a squirrel took them?
Poor Lily felt even weaker, drifting off to sleep with a sniffle. What do you think would happen now that Lily had no sparkleberries left? Later, as Daisy sat by the pond, admiring her reflection once more, Grandma Willow suddenly appeared.
Where is your sister, Lily?
Her voice a little firmer now.
Oh, she's off picking flowers.
But Grandma Willow knew in her heart. She rushed back to the cottage and found poor Lily barely breathing, tangled in a hot blanket. A tear rolled down Grandma Willow's cheek. Just then, a magical shimmer filled the room. Grandma Willow began to glow with soft golden light. Her wrinkles smoothed away. Her walking stick transforming into a sparkling wand. Poof! She was no longer Grandma Willow, but the magnificent Fairy Sparklewing, with shimmering wings like a dragonfly. Daisy, watching from the window, gasped.
A fairy! My hair! Make my hair the most beautiful in the world!
But what would the fairy do? Fairy Sparklewing looked at Daisy, her eyes still sparkling, but now a little sad.
Daisy, I came to see if your heart was kind.
I gave you chances to do good, but you only chose to be selfish.
With a gentle wave of her sparkling wand, swish, whoosh, Daisy's beautiful golden hair began to change. It twisted and turned, growing green leaves and thorny vines, until it was a wild, tangled mess of ivy.
Ah! My hair! My beautiful hair!
Running to the pond, Flies buzzed around her ivy hair, which suddenly rooted itself to the ground. Daisy couldn't move.
I'm so ugly! I don't want to look at myself!
Tears streaming down her face. How would Daisy ever get her lovely hair back? Meanwhile, back in the cottage, Fairy Sparklewing gave Lily one shining sparkleberry. Lily ate it, and poof, her fever vanished, and her eyes fluttered open.
Oh, thank you, Fairy Sparklewing.
Whoa.
Feeling strong again, the fairy then waved her wand, swirl, twirl, and their small, cozy cottage began to sparkle and grow. Walls turned into shimmering marble, and the roof became a tower with a flag waving high. It was a dazzling palace.
Kindness is always rewarded, dear Lily. This palace is your gift.
Lily looked around at the magnificent palace, her eyes wide with wonder. It was beautiful, truly. But then she remembered her sister.
Thank you, Fairy Sparklewing.
Her voice a little wistful.
But what about Daisy? What happened to her? I love my sister so much. What good is a grand palace if I'm all alone without her? Please, can we have our cozy cottage back? And Daisy's happy, lovely hair too? That's my only wish.
What do you think the fairy would do with such a kind wish? Fairy Sparklewing's face lit up with a brilliant smile.
You truly have the kindest heart, Lily.
With another wave of her wand, whoosh, gone. The palace twinkled away, becoming their cozy cottage once more. Then she flew to Daisy by the pond. With a gentle touch of her wand, sparkle, shine, Daisy's ivy hair transformed back into her beautiful golden locks. Daisy rushed to Lily, hugging her tight.
Oh, Lily, you saved me.
It's okay, Daisy.
Thank you, Lily.
I promise to be kind and helpful from now on.
And from that day forward, Daisy learned that sharing happiness and being kind to others truly makes life the most beautiful adventure of all. Remember, children, kindness is a magic that always comes back to you.